Hello, welcome to a new video. We have a new API integration that lets you connect any device via Webhook to Datacake. We also get payload decoders for API. I'm going to show you how this works. This is a new video setup as well. I've got the Notecard here connected and my new camera is showing the Notecard. The Notecard is connected to the computer right now and I can send commands here. The Notecard is already connected to the Node Hub. I'm now going to show you how you can use our new API integration to connect the Notecard or any other devices that have webhooks and forward data using webhooks. So first of all, we press on Add Device, we select API, and as you can see here, this is completely new. So we now need to define a product. A product is, well, it defines how a device behaves. So it defines the overall functionality and dashboards of a device. So we call that Notecard demo product. Created. Next, we are putting in a name, Notecard demo device, and we can also create serial numbers here. So we can use them auto-generated, but because we want to match the Notecard to Datacake, we are now going to copy the serial number from the Node Hub, from that Notecard here, and paste that into and use that as a serial number for the device we create on Datacake. Okay, so free device and the Notecard is created. In the configuration, you can now see that we have, here's the API configuration, and you can change the serial number, and we have payload decoders. And now for this product, there is an API endpoint URL. So every data that has been forwarded to that URL, it's the glue code, brings the payload decoder, and that forwards the data into the actual device. So I'm going to copy this URL here back into our Node Hub, and we're now going to create a new route or route. Add route, route name, Datacake, demo route, general HTTP request. We can leave everything like it is. We paste in that URL, press on save, and here we go. We're all set. So back into Datacake, we can see also the logs here, and we can also see that we right now created this integration here, which comes from the Node Hub, which is the test integration. So back to the Node Hub. The Node Hub is a device that connects using USB right now, but it could be also connected to UART, SPI, nodes, I2C, 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 and we can send sensor data using a pretty basic JSON. Let me copy and paste this here. And when you press enter, it will be sent to the Notecard. The Notecard connects to the Node Hub. Data is being sent. And when we get back to Datacake and open up the logs, we can see here that this data has now arrived on Datacake. So in this data, there is the payload. We copy that and we paste this here to simulate and try the decoder, so nothing happens. What we need to do now is to take all the information from that payload and bring that into the decoder. I've already done that before, so we can skip that because it would be a very boring thing, seeing me typing this into Datacake here. We paste this. This is now the decoder, and it accesses all the information that is in this payload here from the Node Hub. I can see and test that. And once more, I need to change this to device. We save it and test this once more. And we can see temperature, tower location, the RSSE, the fields, the voltage, and so on. Okay, so we're now going to create database fields. So it's temperature, RSSI, it's the bars for cellular. We also got, let me see, the voltage, add a field for voltage. And we also add a field for, I think it's the card temperature. And of course, the tower location. Tower location is geolocation. Save this as well. What else do we got? Orientation. Orientation to string, save it. We can just simulate this once more, try the decoder, and we can now also see that there's now recognized values in here. So, okay, we can save that. Let's go back to our Notecard. No, first of all, let's go into the dashboard because we want to make something special here and create a new widget. First of all, we are going to create a weighted widget for the temperature and one for RSSI and another one for the voltage. And let's go create another one for card temperature, which is the actual temperature from the chip. And the temperature itself is in the payload. I'm going to show you this in a couple of seconds. Also, we are going to create, where's that map? Put that to the tower location because I'm right now, this has GPS. Because it's using a Quectel modem, it can use the onboard GPS, but as I'm located indoors, this won't work here in my location, so we take the tower location. We got now a basic dashboard set because we've just created the data field. There's no data in it, but the payload decoder is set up, the URL is set up, everything is, set it up as expected. We're now going back to the Notecard, and now I'm going to do this once more. So wait a second, there's somehow 2 in it. Delete that. My keyboard is a bit lagging. So we are going to, this is the request that you send to the Notecard. It could be from your microcontroller, but in this case, I'm using it in our browser here, but it could be your microcontroller as well. You send JSON requests to it, and it connects to the Notecard, to the Node Hub, and sends that to Datacake. So this is the temperature inside the user payload, and we simply press enter. It begins to upload and sync. And when we get back to Datacake, we can see that this 45.22 was being sent to Datacake. This is the tower location here. This is also something that we've managed to save in here. We can also go now into the logs and see, okay, that was the payload. And there is also debug log where we can see what kind of things have been recorded. The RSSI bars and voltage have not been sent yet. I think there's something expected float in the decoder, but basically this is how it works, how you can transform forward any data using Webhook to our new integration. So we created that product, we matched to that serial number, and if I would now have another node card, I just simply press on Add Device, API. I used an existing product because that was that product which I simply created. Press on Next, and I could also paste in, let's see if we've got a different, like this node card here, copy that and paste it here, and node card 2. Free plan. This is then, we can see here the product also being added to the product, the Notecard demo product. That means that this now has the exact same dashboard, the exact same fields, the exact same payload decoder, and you can just simply continue to add new devices. So this is basically how it works. And really, the Notecard is such a great device. You can simply just bring in some JSON requests from microcontroller, computer, Raspberry Pis, whatever, and bring some custom data in here. It begins to sync, sends the data, and you can see here the data, is being forwarded into Datacake. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, contact us, and we're happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.